Hey buddy, welcome back to Buddy English, where you learn to speak smart and speak confident. Today, we're talking about three tiny mistakes that instantly make you sound like a beginner. Even if your grammar is perfect, even if your vocabulary is amazing. And the good news? They're super easy to fix. Let's go. All right, mistake number 1. Using I am agree instead of I agree. This is huge. I hear this every single day. Students say, I am agree with you, or I am not agree. It sounds wrong to native speakers because agree is already a verb. You don't need am. Think about it like this. You don't say I am go, right? You say I go. Same thing. I agree, not I am agree. Here's the rule. If the word is a verb, like agree, like understand, like know, you just use the verb. No am, no is, no are. So it's not I am understand, it's I understand. Not she is know, it's she knows. Make sense? Good.
Can I add something? This mistake happens because, in some languages, you do use to be with these words. So it feels natural. But in English, we're weird. We skip it.
Exactly. English is weird. Okay, let's move to mistake number 2. Mistake number 2. Saying please wait me instead of please wait for me. This one sounds super unnatural because wait needs the word for. You wait for something. You don't wait something, you wait for something. So if someone says, I'll be there in 5 minutes, you say, okay, I'll wait for you. Not, I'll wait you. Another example. Can you wait for me outside? Not, wait me outside. The preposition for is not optional. You need it. Now, here's a quick tip. If you're not sure whether a verb needs a preposition, just listen to native speakers and copy them. We say, listen to music, not listen music. We say, look at this, not look this. English verbs love their prepositions. They're like best friends. They go together. All right, mistake number 3. And this one is sneaky. Using explain me instead of explain to me. A lot of learners say, can you explain me this? But that's not how we say it. We say, can you explain this to me? The structure is explain plus the thing plus to plus the person. So, he explained the problem to me. Can you explain the rules to us? She's explaining the process to them. Notice the word to is always there.
Yeah, and I think this happens because some languages let you skip to. So learners think English works the same way. But we need it.
Exactly right. Okay, so those are your 3 mistakes. Number 1, I agree, not I am agree. Number 2, wait for me, not wait me. Number 3, explain to me, not explain me. Fix these and you'll sound way more natural. All right, let's practice. I'm going to say 3 sentences, and I want you to repeat them out loud. Even if you're on a bus, even if people are looking at you, say them out loud, because that's how you learn. Ready? Sentence 1. I agree with your decision. Again, I agree with your decision. Sentence 2. Please wait for me at the entrance. One more time. Please wait for me at the entrance. Sentence 3. Can you explain this rule to me? Last time. Can you explain this rule to me? Perfect. You did it. All right, buddy, that's it for today. 3 mistakes, 3 fixes. Start using these today, and I promise people will notice. You'll sound clearer, more confident, more natural. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We post new lessons every week. And drop a comment. Tell me which mistake you used to make. I reply to everyone. See you next time, buddy.